Ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels? Picture this. You've crossed off a dozen tasks today. Yet as you sink into bed, you're left wondering, what did I actually accomplish? Sounds all too familiar, right? It's like being stuck on a treadmill. Lots of activity, zero progress. But what if I told you a few small tweaks to your daily routine could not only boost your productivity, but also increase your energy, focus, and overall happiness? Today, I'm excited to share with you 12 transformative habits that are anything but your typical productivity tips. These are actionable, effective strategies, so grab a pencil and let's sketch out a new blueprint for your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear game plan to master your time and enrich your life. Let's dive into habit number 1, the Pomodoro Technique. Ever found yourself overwhelmed by a task, making little to no progress? Here's a simple fix. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 of these cycles, take a longer break. This method works wonders because it breaks work into manageable chunks and tricks your brain into thinking, hey, I only need to focus for 25 minutes at a time. Plus, frequent breaks refresh your mind, keeping you sharp and focused. Next up, declutter your space. Think of your workspace as a reflection of your mind. A cluttered desk, a cluttered brain. Spend 10 minutes at the end of each day tidying up. Organize your materials, discard unnecessary items, and set the stage for tomorrow. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about constructing an environment that fosters focus and creativity. Now, let's get moving, literally. Incorporating daily physical activity, whether it's a brisk 20-minute walk or a yoga session, can significantly enhance your mental clarity and energy levels. Physical movement not only pumps out endorphins, your brain's natural mood lifters, but also helps circulate fresh ideas and solutions. Digital detox? Anyone? Our gadgets, with their constant notifications and endless streams of social media, can be major productivity killers. Try going offline for an hour each morning or switch your devices to Do Not Disturbs after 8 p.m. This allows you to dedicate time to concentrated work or simply enjoy undistracted moments with loved ones. Make reading a daily habit. Whether it's immersing yourself in a novel or flipping through a biography, reading sharpens your focus and feeds your imagination. Start with just 10 minutes a day and gradually increase your reading time. Think of it as a mental workout. Begin each day with a clear set of goals. Write down 1 to 3 crucial tasks you need to accomplish. This focuses your energy on what's truly important and prevents you from feeling overwhelmed. Be specific with your goals to maintain clarity and direction throughout your day. Nutrition matters. Fuel your body with wholesome, nutritious foods and plenty of water to keep your energy levels and concentration sharp. Consider your food as fuel for your brain, premium quality only. Practice gratitude. Each night, jot down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering a positive mindset that transcends into all areas of your life. Prioritize ruthlessly. Not all tasks are created equal. Identify the tasks that significantly impact your goals and tackle them first. This approach ensures that your energy is spent on the most rewarding tasks. Be intentional with your goals. Instead of vague ambitions, define clear, measurable objectives. This clarity in your intentions serves as a roadmap, guiding you toward your targets with precision. Compress your timelines. Setting tighter deadlines can dramatically enhance your focus and productivity. Challenge yourself to complete tasks more quickly than usual and watch your efficiency soar. Finally, understand your purpose. Reflect on why you do, what drives you, what excites you, what challenges you. Knowing your purpose provides direction and makes decision-making easier and more aligned with your goals. Each of these habits can be a powerful change agent in your life. Start with 1 or 2, and as they become second nature, incorporate more. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Incremental changes can lead to significant transformations over time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which habit will you implement first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.